Good morning, Anand. You are having interview on which date and in which place?
So 5th November in Bangalore, sir.
Oh, good. Can you please? This is your first or second mock with me.
It's a first mock, actually.
Acha. Have I given you second date also?
No, sir, not yet.
Acha. Oh, let me not forget and give you.
Yes, sir.
Which date you want?
So preferably on first or second, sir. That would be good if it is available, sir.
First. First is okay.
Yeah,
First 7 p.m.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Just a minute. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Anand. I'm coming from Calicut, Kerala. I did my bachelor's degree in mathematics from Punjab and my master's degree in economics with a specialization in finance from Symbiosis, Pune. And during my master's, I got selected for an internship at SBI Capital Markets Limited, which is in Mumbai. So during that time, I got an opportunity to work in the headquarters of SBI Capital Markets, which is in Kolaba, Mumbai. So after my master's, sir, I got placed in a financial services company, which is in Chennai, called as Dhanaucha Financial Services. So I was posted as a management trainee there. I worked there for almost 6 months, sir. And talking about my family, I come from a nuclear family, so I have, which include my father, who is actually working as a senior administrative officer. He's the head of department at Indian Institute of Spices Research in Calicut. And my mother, she's a Hindi teacher, sir. She is working in government higher secondary school in Kerala. And I have a little sister, sir, younger sister. She's actually studying BBLLB, sir, in government law college, Thrissur.
Very good. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Now, you are not working since when?
Since last 6 months, I guess. So actually,
So
uh,
yeah.
yes, sir.
Now,
I was preparing for bank exams, sir.
so why you had to resign? You were not getting
Uh,
time to prepare for the
no, sir.
exams.
Sir, the thing was that my schedule was more like from 8 o'clock to almost 7:30 in the evening, sir. And
Hmm.
uh, and so, sir, and I had a lot of work. After coming back home, I had to prepare something for tomorrow. So I just didn't want to half commit on job, and so I just wanted to make sure that if I'm actually working somewhere, I give my 100% to it, sir.
What was the salary they were paying in Chennai company?
So sir, actually, it was basically, sir, my training period. So it was a stipend, sir. So it was around 30K stipend during that time.
So supposing after confirmation, how much you would have
Uh,
received?
Sir, around 6.5, sir. Because while I was appearing for the interview for this financial services company, I was actually holding a placement from my college itself, sir.
Hmm.
So I was actually posted as a portfolio associate in a in actually an institution in Bangalore itself, sir, called as uh, Mill Group, and it is actually into impact investing, sir. So
Oh,
yes, sir.
so that's right. So now please tell me what was your experience in SBI capital markets?
Yes, sir. So, sir, it was actually a 2 months internship, sir, and I was actually posted in the mergers and acquisition section. So, sir, they were actually the SBI Capital Market was actually at that point of time they were actually like having a role as a transaction advisory to the National Highway Authority of India. So, my project was actually about the consolidation in the road sector in India, sir. So during that time, I had to do a lot of research, which uh, included making reports on the top companies in the highway construction sector, knowing about their financial plans, like how their financial payment system is in that particular road project, and talking about their subsidiaries, their credit ratings, looking into their financials to know why the credit rating is bad, and then talking about their the successful road projects that they've completed and how much time they have taken to complete it, if they have overdue the time or if they have completed in a particular time. So it was more about looking at all these particular big companies, which were actually in the construction sector, sir.
Which were the big companies about whom you researched?
Sir, it was sir Ashok Buildcon was one of the company. Then there was L&T, Larsen and Turbo, and sir, then there was KNR Construction, sir.
So you please,
Uh,
this is okay. If you are sure it is okay, please get to know the first top five companies
Companies. Okay, okay, sir. Got
because
it,
they
sir.
will definitely ask a question. The moment you complete this, the next question will be what are the top five companies or top three companies?
Okay,
That's what it is. Now, who is the authority in charge of construction of roads and all in highways? Now,
uh,
minister in charge.
sir, Nitin Gadkari, sir.
Good.
Shri Nitin Gadkari.
Now, you were telling capital markets. What is a capital market? Who is controlling the capital market in our country?
Sir, capital market is controlled by the SEBI, sir, Securities and Exchange Board of India.
What do you know about SEBI?
Sir, SEBI is basically a regulatory authority which actually regulates the securities market in our country. It also regulates mutual funds, and they play a very vital role in controlling the happenings in the stock market. They also control the who are brokers and all other financial institutions which actually comes under the stockbroking part, sir.
Hmm.
So
Okay,
yes, sir.
That's right. Now, um, what is the position of Bombay Stock Exchange now? What is the BSE Sensex?
Sir, Sensex is almost around 80 80,000, I guess, sir. Almost around
81,
80,000.
81 or 80? Let me
80,
check
sir.
up.
It is in between that, sir, because market was down yesterday too.
Acha, you were following yesterday's
Uh,
market also?
yes, sir. I have been following it since a long time, sir, because I am an investor. So
Oh, it is
that is it.
79. You are right.
Yes, yes, sir.
79,402.
Yes, sir.
79,402. That means our Federal Bank share must have gone down.
Yes, sir. It has been falling since continuously since last 5 days, sir. Right now it is at 187, sir.
Acha, you saw that?
Yes, sir. I did.
Federal Bank share price. Let me check it up and alter in our material
Yes, sir.
also. 186.24. Correct.
186.2. Yes, sir. So it has been falling
186.24.
since last 5 days, sir. Like the whole banking stocks have been falling since last 1 week, sir.
Yeah, yeah. 186.24. Today's date is
So
26.
27th.
But I
27th.
have got yesterday. Yeah, I have already changed it. Yesterday's date, 25
Ha,
only.
ha,
It is 186 and 456 billion is the market capitalization.
ha.
Can you please tell me what is market capitalization? How it is figure is arrived?
So that is basically the total value of the total outstanding stocks uh, multiplied by the current market price market price of that
Current
particular company.
share price.
Yes,
Share
share price.
price.
Yeah.
Good. That's right. Which bank tops in the matter of market capitalization?
Sir, HDFC, I think.
If you
Yes.
say I think you will not get mark. You
Okay.
should
Sir,
say
HDFC.
HDFC.
HDFC, sir.
HDFC. Correct. Now you said you are also interested in investing.
Yes, sir.
If you tell like that, you may be rated good, and they will ask some
Okay.
questions regarding what are the investments you have made, what strategies do you adopt, then
Okay.
since when you started investing. So the interview will go nicely, easily.
So, sir, when
Uh,
do I include this, sir? Like
no,
about investing?
this one you should tell
Huh,
at the stage after telling about native place, about your
huh,
degree, about your say strengths.
huh,
Immediately
huh, huh.
along with strengths, if you have some achievements during college level, you
Huh,
can
huh, huh.
tell about that,
Okay,
and then you tell about say your interest in this. And
okay.
prior to this, you will also tell about the placement got in SBI. Sorry, the
Huh, huh.
internship got in SBI
SBI.
capital market. And
Yes.
do you want to mention this 6 months? Have you given it in the application?
Ah, yes, sir, I did. Sir, because sir, during
Gap.
those 6 months period, I was actually dealing with selling mutual funds, and
Acha,
so
acha.
it was, yes, sir. So it was related to that. So I just wanted to make sure that
Very
I
good.
am in line with selling. Yeah.
Then do one thing. You tell that as after telling your educational qualification,
Huh.
immediately cover SBI market, then
Okay.
placement working in this company, and in that you were doing mostly marketing.
Huh,
Immediately
huh.
go to tell about your strengths.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Then it will come out correctly. Okay, good.
Huh, huh, sir. Got it, sir.
And then they will be happy in asking you more questions relating to stock market, whatever it is,
Huh, huh,
and
huh.
that it will be easy. Of course, um, what did you say about your father? Spices board
Yes, sir. Spices Research, Indian Institute of Spices Research. So that comes under the
research.
central government.
Acha, acha,
Yes, sir.
research.
Yes, sir.
I
It
thought
comes under the.
spices. Now,
Uh,
who is the chairman of the spices board now? You may not
uh,
know. You
sir,
have to
I'm
know
not.
about all
Yeah.
those things.
Okay, okay,
You have
sir.
to know about all this. What are called as spices? How many spices boards are there? Are we having separate for cashew nut? I don't know.
Uh,
So please check up.
so spices, everything comes under one board, sir. Like this.
What
So,
are called
uh,
as spices? I know only pepper. What else?
sir,
Cardamom.
pepper is there, cardamom, and ginger is also included as a spices.
Hmm.
And sir, mm, sir, I'll have to
The
look into
moment
it, sir.
you say spice up, daddy is connected with spices, then they will ask
Huh.
silly questions like say, what are Indian spices?
Okay, got it, sir.
And there are 24 Indian spices. Turmeric, then
Turmeric.
coriander, then
Right.
garam masala, black cardamom,
Huh.
black cardamom. Then there is one thing I'm not able to cilantro. I don't know what is this.
Turmeric.
Then garlic,
Huh.
lasun,
Right, right.
garlic, asafoetida. You know what is asafoetida?
No idea, sir.
It is used in cooking.
Oh, oh, oh.
It is used in cooking to give taste and all that and smell. So
Ha.
in Tamil we call it as perungayam. Malayalam enna parayum?
Perengayam. Yeah, yeah. I heard it, sir. Perengayam.
Yeah. Then fenugreek, then mango powder, amchur, then tejpata, cinnamon, fennel, then ajwain. There is one thing known as ajwain or karam.
Ha.
But don't tell about things which you don't know. Then mustard
Okay,
seeds,
okay.
cloves. These are all favorite things.
Right, right, right. So
We
I'll
can
just
simply
focus on the main popular
you
things
focus
and
on popular
tell.
thing: cardamom,
Okay, okay.
then garlic, then say turmeric. But if you tell about them, you should know which state it is grown more and something like that. All that because invariably question will come. Oh, if
Got
you
it, sir.
tell about turmeric, I will ask immediately which state is producing more of turmeric, which state tops in this,
Ha.
some such
Okay.
question. Then
Okay, sir.
yeah, please prepare. Pepper is not coming here. Why?
Sir, pepper is there, sir. That is one of the major products, sir.
But here,
They also export it, sir. Export it to other
did I
countries.
read, did I,
Ah, yes, sir. You did. Black pepper, you did.
Acha, 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 very good. Then
Ah,
it's okay. I did not. So that is why I'm not remembering pepper, but it is black pepper. Good.
yes.
So you will be asking some such interesting questions like this, and then
Okay, got it.
they will ask you, um, which bank are you having account?
Sir, right now in SBI, sir.
Don't tell right now. Uska that means you were having so many accounts earlier.
Sir, actually, I had a Punjab National Bank account also, sir. But I've
Better.
been
You are
majorly
not
using.
operating it. Yeah.
Ah, yes, sir.
Then you tell only State Bank, that will do.
State Bank.
Two, three
Okay,
also.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
that will do. State Bank chairman, who is chairman?
Sir, Challa Srinivasalu Shetty.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, because you are a finance man, let me ask you,
Yeah.
what is
Yes.
NPA?
So that is non-performing asset, sir. So basically, non-performing asset is when a loan is not repaid, when its interest or principal is not repaid for almost 90 days, it is considered as a NPA or a bad loan.
Can you tell me
So
the
yes,
various
sir.
stages of NPA?
Uh, stages.
Have you not studied about standard assets, substandard assets, doubtful assets, then loss
No,
assets? पढ़ा नहीं है?
no, sir. No. I'll
You,
look into it, sir.
yeah. So, and before that also, SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2. So 0 to 30 days due is known as SMA 1 for close
Uh,
follow-up. SMA 1
okay.
is 31 to 60, 61 to 90 is SMA 2. So I think you should study something about
Uh,
non-performing assets.
Sir, when they ask about NPA, shall I mention about gross GNP and NNPA
Yeah, yeah,
difference
you will
or
cover
anything
it.
like
You
that?
will cover it up.
I can
You
do it.
will tell Federal Bank's
Okay.
GNPA percentage is this much, NNPA percentage is this
Ha,
much.
ha.
If you tell like that, they will ask what
Okay.
is GNPA percentage. Can you tell me
Okay.
what is
Sir,
GNPA?
basically GNP, so percentage is 2.11 for Federal Bank and NNPA is 0.60. And so
Sorry,
what GNPA
no,
means is
no, no,
that is
one
basic.
minute. I think I
Yes.
have a doubt. GNPA, correct, correct. GNPA is
Yes.
2.11,
1
NNPA
Yes.
0.60 for
0.60.
Federal Bank.
Yes,
As
sir.
on 30th June,
Okay. Ha,
you
sir.
must tell that also.
Okay, okay, sir.
And pray
Got
to God that before your interview,
it.
second
Yes,
quarter
sir. I'm
results
actually
will not
hoping
come.
for that, sir.
Mm.
Because
But
like almost
but I
all the
think
banks
but
quarter two
I think
results
this,
have been out.
yeah, this time probably it is not that very good. Maybe that's why they are
Ha.
delaying its release. I don't know.
Right, right, sir.
And also, it is a new CMD this time.
Ha, ha, ha.
Mr. KVS Manian has come,
Money in, yes, sir.
and maybe they are not able to decide about how to present it and all. That is
Ha,
why
ha,
it's
ha.
getting delayed. Maybe doesn't matter.
Okay.
Um, Very good. Now, can you tell me what is CRAR of our bank as on 30th June?
Uh, CRAR. mm,
Capital risk weighted asset ratio.
Uh,
You have not seen that. I have given it in the material now. It is 15.57%.
okay. I just missed that correct at that point, sir. Looked into the rest of the other things. Just that CRAR.
See, this is what I have you are seeing. This is what the material I have given you.
Ha, ha, ha. CRAR. Okay. Got it, sir.
Now, please tell me what you know about our bank.
Uh, Sir, basically, starting from the history, sir, it was actually founded
Yeah,
in
history
19th.
and all no. History no.
No, okay,
Simply say
okay.
it was founded by KP Hormis. They are very
Yes, sir.
fond of KP Hormis.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
KP
Kulangara,
Hormis
yeah.
name, then
Kulangara, yes, sir.
KP
Initially, it
Hormis.
was as Travancore Federal Bank, and then
But
later, after, uh,
even those things are not required.
Not
Tell
required.
it
Okay,
was
okay.
the founder is KP Ormis, started in the year
Okay.
31, and
Yes, sir.
now the headquarters is in Aluva,
Aluva,
Kochi.
Kochi.
And
Yeah.
then number of branches, etc. Tell me the number of
Uh,
branches, how many?
yes, sir. So the total banking outlets is around 1,533, where the
Oh,
total ATMs are 1,451, and
mm.
they got
Now,
cash
now it has
recyclers of
become
601.
now it has become 1,537. I
37.
have
Okay,
given
okay.
it.
I'll update it, sir.
You are, you are now seeing here on the screen.
Okay. Yes, yes, sir. So,
Then
sir, it will be updated like
yeah,
every day
yeah.
you will update it.
No, no,
Okay, okay.
no. I will update every day, but
Uh-huh,
the capital, I mean, market capitalization, price, etc. I will update every day. But this
uh-huh.
one only when somebody comes and tells me, this one I rectified after a candidate told me, sir, now it has changed in the website.
Okay. Uh-huh, sir.
There has been change. Here it was 601 or so, now 602. It was
Uh-huh.
1451 or so, now 1454
54. Got
ATMs.
it.
It was
Got it.
1533 or 35, now it is
33. Uh-huh.
37. Yeah, now it is
Okay, sir.
37. Good. Now,
Yes.
the last question for you, please tell me how a Reserve Bank is managing or controlling inflation.
So, sir, one of the major role of RBI is to control inflation, sir, and they have a monetary committee for it, monetary policy committee. They have a lot of ways to control it, mainly by controlling the repo rate, which is the rate at which banks lend money from RBI. So
No, 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 no,
with
no.
that, yes.
Your English is not correct. Banks borrow from RBI,
Banks borrow from RBI, sir. So
not lend.
that actually controls the
Or
liquidity
you
in the
can
banking
say
system.
banks take lendings from RBI, but instead you say
Okay,
borrow from RBI. That's the correct
okay,
way.
okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will
And then,
happen when the repo rate is increased?
so when repo rate is increased, the rate for the banks increase. So that actually, so talking in simple terms, that actually, what to say, increase the liquidity of the bank reduces. That actually reduces the liquidity in the system, the
No,
market.
no,
So,
you can say when the repo rate is raised,
huh,
banks, the interest, I mean, the banks will be borrowing less from the Reserve Bank because the
huh,
cost of funds is more. And
more.
when the borrowing is less, automatically they will lend less to the customers. When the
Huh,
lending goes down, the market supply in circulation will come down.
okay.
Money in circulation will come down, and hence the inflation will come down.
Yes, sir. And sir,
That's
when
how
they
you have
ask
to.
about this, shall I include about the current MPC
Yeah,
meeting
yeah.
and what
You
has
can,
happened?
current MPC meeting, you did not say.
Okay.
The present repo rate is
Repo rate
6.50.
6.5.
You say
Huh.
that only. Don't
Okay, okay, sir.
enter into bank rate, MSF
Huh,
rate, and
huh.
all because they won't
Got
like
it.
you to tell about something more than what they ask.
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
Then, did you check up about the awards they have received? Nowadays, they are not getting that many awards.
Yes,
Earlier,
sir, I
about
did.
a year or
Sir,
two back, and all, they had lot of awards. One award
uh,
used to be the best place for people to work and
to
all.
work.
Now,
Then,
yeah,
sir, for by economic times, they got the best bank award of 2023.
acha. Oh, very good. So now
Yes, sir.
recent awards.
Sir, recent awards, I guess that was one of the news, sir.
No, no, better. No,
So
no, doesn't matter. Once again, go through awards thoroughly, mug up kar dijiye.
okay, okay, sir.
Then also go through CSR activities, more especially Sanjeevani cancer treatment.
Cancer rate. Okay, okay, sir.
You have to read more. Anyhow, best
Sir.
wishes. You have
Yes,
read up to 80%, but still some more can be there. You improve it, you will certainly score good marks.
got it, sir.
One, the reason is you are coming from a good uh, this symbiosis
Yes, sir.
that
Symbiosis.
and then you also have worked in SBI and all that. Symbiosis,
Huh.
our Federal Bank is coming for campus recruitment or not?
No, sir. Federal Bank is not coming. Sir, SBI come for SBI and RBI come for internships, sir.
Internship, I'm asking about
Yes, sir.
recruitment.
No, sir.
CBS is
Recruitment, so
these
Citibank
people
comes,
don't
not Federal Bank
go.
doesn't come, sir.
These people don't go. Maybe they are
Yes.
going to some Balaji Institute and all that in Pune.
Pune, okay. Sir.
Yeah. You also studied in Pune, na?
Yes, sir, I did.
Very good. Best wishes. You did well, but you can
Thank you,
do
sir.
still better.
Yes, sir. So I